Hello everybody, welcome back to English Simplified with Megha. This is quite an interesting video and I'm really excited for this video because today I will be unboxing 14 books that I have bought from Amazon under rupees 100. Yes, you heard that right, it's under rupees 100. There's just one book that is for 125 rupees. I had to purchase that, so I have included it in this book haul. But the irony is that I'm going to unbox something, but there are no boxes. I have these packets, so I would rephrase my sentence and would say that I'm going to unpack the packets that has arrived from Amazon. So let's not waste any more time and quickly get into the video. Alright, so before I begin with the video, I would like to tell you that the links of all the books are provided in the description box. If you want to purchase any of the books, please go to the description box and click on the links. It will take you directly to the Amazon page. Now, this is the first book. This is the thinnest among all. So I'm trying to unbox this. How do we do that? Okay. While I'm doing so, the books lying in my cupboard are crying for mercy because there are a lot of books that's there which I haven't read. So don't worry, I'll read you all. This is the first book. Let's take it out. It is The Time Machine. It's The Time Machine by Maple Classics. H.G. Wells has written it. Now, this is the first time that I'm going to read something related to time travel. I haven't read it ever. So, and this is such a thin book. I see that there are only 111 pages. Oh my god, I'll read it in one sitting. So, I'm really excited to read this. Okay, this was the first book. Now, I'll tell you the price of the book. The Time Machine is just for rupees 86. Can you imagine? Okay. So here comes the second packet. Let's open it. This is okay, let's quickly do it. Oh my god, there are two books. Both are again quite thin. This is Ruskin Bond's The Blue Umbrella. You might have watched the movie The Blue Umbrella. So it's kind of a children's book, but I wanted it, so I have kept it. Now I'll tell you the price. So it's just for rupees 69. Okay, this is this, and then we have a pretty red color book, which is The Science of Getting Rich by this person. I can't pronounce the name. Okay, so I am into reading a lot of self-help books. This haul contains self-help books, fiction, non-fiction. It's an amalgamation of a lot of books. So this is this. Now let's move on to the third one. Let's open it. Okay, it has got 3 books. Come on. Okay, what's this? Anyways, so there are 3 books. The first book is this, Rabindranath Tagore, by Rabindranath Tagore. This is a collection of short stories by Rabindranath Tagore. Now, he definitely needs no introduction. So this is again quite a thin book, and the price is rupees 86. So just 86 for the marvelous writings and short stories by Rabindranath Tagore. Please go ahead and buy it. This is amazing. Now the second book is by James Allen, which is As a Man Thinketh, and this is for 59 rupees. Oh my god, can you imagine that? 59 rupees for a book. What else do you want? And I have heard that this book describes about the thought processes of people. I'm really excited to read this as well. Now the third book in this packet is Metamorphosis. I was really fascinated and by the title Metamorphosis. This book is written by Franz Kafka. Of course, people who love reading books might be knowing him. And this book is for 70 rupees. So please go ahead and purchase it. Okay. Now, I have also heard that this book is quite thought-provoking. So let's see how it goes. Okay, here's another packet. See how I have sanitized them. You can't see anything. Okay, let's open it. Okay. It contains 2 books. Here they are. The first one is Be Your Own Sunshine by James Allen. This is for just give me a moment. This is for 97 rupees, and I'm really eager to read it. I have no idea what this book is about, but again, all the books are really thin. Okay, I have a fat book as well. Just a minute. I love fat books. I don't know why. So this is the classic Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. See, this book is really fat, and all the books were really thin, and I really like reading fat books. So I'm really excited to read this. I've heard a lot about this book, so I'll definitely share my review, and there might be a lot of reviews and about this book, but I would definitely share my review. So I'm really excited to read this. There are no bookmarks. Oh my god, there should be some bookmarks in this. This is the last packet, and this is the heaviest one. So let's open it quickly. This contains a lot of books. Just a minute. Okay, I have a book set as well. So this is, oh my god. This book is for 125 rupees. This is tiny. This is for 125 rupees. This is written by Haruki Murakami. You might have definitely heard about him. And this is Birthday Girl by Haruki Murakami. I was really excited to read this. I never knew this was just for 42. Is it a book even? Okay. Alright, no issues. I really like the cover, so never mind. Now, moving forward. This book is for 99 rupees, and it is Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte, and I've heard a lot about this book. This is a classic and a masterpiece. I'm really excited to read this. This is just for 99 rupees. See? Okay, I'll definitely share my feedback when I read this. Now, I have a book set. See, these are all the self-help books that are there here. So let me just open it and show you. This is a book set that I have purchased. This contains 4 books. I'll tell you the names one by one. But this book set was for 299 rupees, and it contains 4 books. So the total, or each book is for 74 rupees 75 paise. So it is again less than 100 rupees. What else do we need? Let's open this. Now it has got 4 books. The first one is How to Win Friends and Influence People. These all are self-help books. The other one is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. I already have a copy of this, so I might give it away. If you need this book, please let me know. Okay, and then we have The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I haven't read it, but I have heard a lot of people saying good things about this book, so I will definitely go ahead and read it. And then we have The Richest Man in Babylon. I somehow feel that I'm reading a lot of books related to money. I don't know why, but never mind. I will read all of these and let you know. So these were the 4 books from the book set. Each approximately cost around rupees 75. So what else do we need? All right. So these were all the 14 books that I had ordered. Now I'm really disappointed by this. This is not even a book. This is written by Haruki Murakami, the Japanese writer. I have read the Kafka on the show. I was really excited to read this, but I'll read it. I am not judging a book by its cover. So let's read it. Now these are all the books. Oh no, I can't catch all of them. Okay, so there are a lot more. These were all the books that I had purchased from Amazon under rupees 100, except that tiny little book for 125. So never mind. All the links will be provided in the description box. Please go get them. What else do you want if you get books under rupees 100 from Amazon? So I'll link other books as well that are available under rupees 100 that I haven't purchased. Please go and get them. Thank you so much for watching the video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.